Hey guys, Jason Nelson, beautiful Butler Lexus, Macon, Georgia. Does Lexus have a truck? Yes, Lexus has a truck. Body on frame, guys. Body on frame is the truck chassis, same platform that the beautiful GX 550 has. As you can see, this is a body on frame GX 550 by Lexus, the same platform that the truck has. So once again, body on frame. Common denominator with the truck and the GX 550. You're going to sit higher. Some people like to sit higher. Four-wheel drive all the time. Minimum total capacity 7,700 pounds, depending on which trim level you get. This one right here, I think, is right at 7,900. Which that means you can write this off if you own a business. But make sure you speak with your CPA, because I'm not a CPA. Thanks so much.